Today's presentation is about ideas for garden sculptures design, unleashing creativity, transforming your backyard with unique sculpture ideas. Hey there, fellow art enthusiasts and backyard enthusiasts! Today, let's dive into the world of imagination and explore some fantastic ideas to turn your backyard into a captivating sculpture haven. Whether you're an art connoisseur or just someone looking to add a touch of creativity to your outdoor space, we've got you covered. Whimsical wind sculptures. Picture this: a gentle breeze, a sunny day, and a garden filled with enchanting wind sculptures. These dynamic pieces of art not only add movement to your outdoor space, but also create a sense of harmony with nature. Imagine metal spirals dancing in the wind or colorful kinetic sculptures twirling gracefully. A true feast for the eyes. Mosaic marvels. Unleash your inner mosaic artist by incorporating vibrant mosaic sculptures into your backyard. Transform ordinary objects like old planters, bird baths, or even rocks into stunning works of art. Break out the colorful tiles, glass pieces, and adhesive, and let your creativity run wild. The result? A unique and personalized masterpiece that adds a pop of color to your green oasis. Nature-inspired stone sculptures. Embrace the beauty of natural materials by incorporating stone sculptures into your backyard. Think stacked stones, pebble mosaics, or carved rock formations. You can create everything from abstract shapes to intricate animal figures. These sculptures not only blend seamlessly with the environment, but also lend a sense of tranquility to your outdoor space. Upcycled delights. Turn old, forgotten items into extraordinary sculptures with a touch of DIY magic. Repurpose items like old bicycle wheels, discarded metal scraps, or wooden pallets into unique, eye-catching sculptures. Not only will you reduce waste, but you'll also infuse your backyard with a one-of-a-kind charm that sparks conversation. Botanical beauty. Combine the beauty of nature with artistic expression by incorporating botanical sculptures into your garden. Imagine sculpted topiaries, living sculptures crafted from vines, or even a whimsical tree adorned with birdhouses and fairy lights. These living sculptures evolve over time, making your backyard a dynamic and ever-changing masterpiece. Interactive art installations. Take your backyard to the next level with interactive art installations. Incorporate elements like wind chimes, hanging sculptures, or even a mini labyrinth for a playful and engaging experience. These installations not only stimulate the senses, but also encourage a deeper connection with your outdoor space. Fire pit sculptures. Combine form and function by integrating sculptural elements into your fire pit area. Consider custom-designed fire pit covers or metal sculptures that double as seating. Transforming your fire pit into a sculptural focal point adds warmth and visual interest, creating a cozy ambiance for those cool evenings. Remember, the key to a remarkable backyard sculpture is to let your imagination soar. Whether you opt for traditional materials or experiment with upcycled treasures, the goal is to infuse your outdoor space with personality and charm. So grab those tools, unleash your creativity, and watch as your backyard transforms into a unique masterpiece that reflects your artistic spirit. Happy sculpting! As always, please subscribe, like, and share. Click your notification bell for next useful educational presentation. Thank you.